Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Matin and I'm working in the product team here at Zenphi. Today I'm going to be introducing you to our latest product, Zenphi Intelligent Document Processing. So now you can access the newest AI builder from the left side menu, and here you can see a list of the available models you can create. So we have a few predefined models. However, if you need something specific for your business, you can use the form processor or the traditional document OCR. So for this demo, we're going to be using the invoice parser. So let's create a model and upload a sample document so we can specify the fields that we are interested in extracting. On the right hand side, you can see a list of the available fields. So it is showing common invoice properties, as well as it is showing all of the suggested fields based on the uploaded document. So underneath here, you can also see and extract tabular information such as the invoice line items. So I'm going to sort by name, and then let's select the let's add a supplier name here. And clicking on add, I'm going to also be extracting, let's say, the total amount. However, here, let's rename it to total. So in the selected fields section, you can see the fields that you have added so far to be an output of this document. So you can also specify fields by hovering over the field and clicking on the plus button. But for this demo, we're going to stick to these two fields. So let's rename it to something more useful, save and publish. So let's jump to our Zenphi flow that I've already created. So this flow is triggered to run every time a new file is added to a Google Drive folder. And what we want to do is look at the document being added and add a certain field to a Google Sheet. So the first thing you want to do is add a Run AI model action to your canvas, and then you want to select the AI model, which we just called a supplier invoice model, and then we want this to run on that file that just got uploaded. And now if we look at the output, we can see that we are going to be getting the supplier name and the total. We are also going to be getting the confidence level of the extracted data. So this can be very helpful, and what someone can do is get human help if his confidence level is below a certain amount. The next step is to configure the add to sheet action, and we are going to configure to add a new row with a supplier and a total. So now we are going to save and publish this flow. So now let's run this flow and put it to the test. So here we have a few sample invoices that I want to upload to a Google Drive folder. So I'm going to drag and drop into the folder. And now what should happen is that our flow will be triggered to run, and the Google Sheets document will be getting populated based on the values in the uploaded invoices. So as you can see here, the invoices are being added one by one, and each of these invoices have their own unique different structures, but they are using the same model. So as you can see here, with just a few steps, we were able to extract information from different documents and use them as part of our flows. Thank you for listening.